Are you switching from an iPhone to a Samsung phone and wondering how to transfer your important data? In this video, we will show you 3 proven methods to transfer data from iPhone to Samsung. We will cover Samsung Smart Switch, iCloud with Google services, and a professional transfer tool called Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Method 1. Transfer data from iPhone to Samsung using Samsung Smart Switch. Samsung Smart Switch is Samsung's official tool for helping users move data from an old phone to a new Galaxy device. It is free, easy to use, and is usually the first option Samsung users should try. Step 1. First, open Smart Switch on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can usually find it by going to Settings, Accounts, and Backup. Bring data from old device. Then choose Receive Data iPhone or iPad. Step 2. For a better transfer speed, connect your iPhone and Samsung phone with a USB-C to Lightning cable. Step 3. Unlock your iPhone. When you see the message asking whether you trust this computer or device, tap Trust and enter your iPhone passcode. Step 4. Samsung Smart Switch will scan your iPhone and show available content. You can choose the data you want to transfer, such as contacts, photos, videos, messages, calendar, notes, and other supported files. Select the content you need and tap Transfer. Method 2. Transfer iPhone data to Samsung using iCloud and Google. This method is useful if you do not have a cable available. You need to transfer different types of data separately. Transfer contacts. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, select iCloud, and turn on contacts synchronization. Step 2. On a computer, open iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Go to Contacts. Select your contacts and export them as a VCard file. Step 3. Next, open Google Contacts. Choose Import and upload the VCard file. After your Samsung phone signs in with the same Google account, your contacts will sync automatically. Transfer photos and videos. For photos and videos, you can use Google Photos. Install Google Photos on your iPhone. Turn on Backup and wait until your photos and videos are uploaded. Then install Google Photos on your Samsung phone and sign in with the same Google account. Your photos and videos will become available on your Samsung device. Method 3. Transfer data from iPhone to Samsung using Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Unlike cloud-based methods, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer allows you to transfer supported data directly between your iPhone and Samsung phone through a computer. It is a convenient option when you want a simpler transfer process without uploading your data to cloud services. Step 1. First, download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your Windows, PC, or Mac. Step 2. Launch it and connect both your iPhone and Samsung phone to the computer using USB cables. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust this computer if requested. For Samsung devices, you may need to enable USB debugging depending on your phone settings. Step 3. The software will detect both devices. Make sure your iPhone is connected as the source device and your Samsung phone is connected as the destination device. If they are reversed, click Flip to change their positions. Step 4. Choose the supported data types you want to move. You can transfer content such as contacts, text messages, photos, music, videos, and books. Step 5. After selecting the required data, click Start Copy. Keep both phones connected until the process finishes. Your selected data will then be transferred from your iPhone to Samsung.